launching a new product is always an exciting time, but it's also a worrying time because you want to maximize the impact. Now, what you want to make sure, and this is what a lot of people fall down on, is they don't give themselves enough time. There's a great book for this. There's a book called Oversubscribed by Daniel Priestley, which talks about the build-up, building that VIP list, the excitement, the whole something's coming, the fear of missing out. Because then you get to the launch and you've already built these people up into a frenzy that they then buy from you. So the example that Daniel uses in the book is when Monty Python came back and they released one show only. That's it, that's all we're gonna do, one show. Now the simple fact is that they had already lined up 9 additional shows, but they released one because they really tapped into that fear of missing out. So they released the day the tickets were going to go on sale, 10 a.m. on such and such a day, whatever. So you get people sat there waiting, refreshing their phones, their PCs, their laptops, their tablets, everything and anything, to try and get tickets. And the tickets are sold just like that. Then they wait because all these people have the fear of missing out. It's reported on the news that all these people missed out and they're sold out within minutes. And then a few days later they go, oh, we've managed to arrange 9 additional dates. So what they've done is they've solved the scarcity, they've solved the fear of missing out, they've launched their product, and they've sold out. Who doesn't want to be sold out? So you've got to give yourself enough time to build that audience, to get them into that interest zone. So by dropping little hints, by giving them exclusivity, by giving them access to a VIP launch, which will go on sale before the general public, and then you launch it, and then you drive it from there. And again, it's the scarcity, it's the fear of missing out. Most importantly, it's giving you enough time to build up that